Watch these videos for a second. Every single one of these is a full 3D animated story. And here's the crazy part. Each one was made from just one image and one prompt. That's it. No animation skills, no expensive software, no studio. One picture, one prompt, and you get a complete 3D animation story video. And that means you can make any kind of 3D animated story you can imagine. Any character, any world, any idea, the exact same way. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step. First, how to create your storyboard image, and then how to turn that single image into a full 3D animation story video with just one prompt. But before we get into it, so welcome to AI Agent Studio. Here we explore the world of AI agent and automation projects, tools, resource for all things AI and AI agents. So subscribe now, it's free, and click the bell icon for latest AI updates. Okay, let's make a AI animation story. First, go to ChatGPT or Claude to create your storyboard prompt. Before creating the storyboard, we first need a story idea. If you already have a story idea, that is perfect. But if you do not have one yet, you can use this prompt to generate new ideas for your story. For example, I want to create a new 3D animation story, so I will enter this prompt. I want to create a 3D short animation story. Give me 5 creative ideas for my story. Now press enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will create 5 original and emotional 3D cartoon short animation story ideas. For example, The Little Cloud Who Was Afraid to Rain, Milo and the Moonlight Bakery, The Robot Who Collected Sunsets, and 2 more story ideas. You can choose any story idea you like. If you do not like the ideas, you can generate more ideas again. After selecting your story idea, copy my storyboard image master prompt. This master prompt is also available in the video description, so do not worry. Just copy the complete master prompt. Now go back to ChatGPT and paste it into a new chat. At the top of this prompt, you will see a section for the story title. This is where you need to enter your selected story title. For this video, I am choosing this story idea, Milo and the Moonlight Bakery. So, I will copy this title and paste it into the story title section. Do not change anything else in the master prompt. Just add your story title and press enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will create your complete storyboard image prompt. As you can see here, this full prompt includes the complete story, character details, and all 12 storyboard panels. Now, simply copy the complete prompt. You can also use the copy button to copy it directly. Next, click on the plus icon, select Create Image, and then enter this instruction. Create this storyboard image based on this prompt. Now paste your prompt and press enter. ChatGPT will now start creating your complete storyboard image. Another option is to use higgsfield AI to create your storyboard image. Just go to higgsfield AI and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, first create one. You can also use other platforms, but I highly recommend higgsfield AI because it is one of the best platforms for content creators. On higgsfield, you can access many AI image and video models in one place, including the latest released AI models. Okay, after logging in, you will see a dashboard like this. From the top menu, go to the Image tab and choose the GPT Image 2 model. Now, for image creation, you will see a dashboard like this. If you have any reference images, you can upload them here. You can upload up to 16 images. But for this example, we do not have any reference images, so we will only use our prompt. We already copied our prompt, so now we simply paste it here. Next, choose your model. We already selected GPT Image 2, but if it is not selected on your side, then choose it here. After that, choose the image quality as high. Next, choose the image resolution. It supports up to 4K, so for this image, I will select 4K. Now choose the image aspect ratio. By default, it is set to auto, but for this image, I want 16:9. Next, choose how many images you want to generate. For example, I want 2 images, so I select. After selecting everything, I click on the Generate button. And after a few seconds, my 2 images are ready. You can see them here. The storyboard includes the story title, Milo and the Moonlight Bakery, along with 12 image panels. On the right side, you can see all the character details, along with other important elements and prop details. And on the bottom side, you can see all the story details. Once you are satisfied with your storyboard image, just click on the download button to save it. Or, if you want to create it again, simply click on the recreate button. So, we download this image. Now, after downloading and preparing your storyboard image, the next step is to turn this image into a video using Seedance 2.0. For this image-to-video process, we need a full detailed prompt for Seedance, so now we go back to ChatGPT. And as you can see, ChatGPT also created my storyboard image here. You can choose whichever image matches your story best and use that one for your video. Let's move to the next step. First, upload your selected storyboard image here. After uploading the image, go to my prompt library and copy the Seedance 2.0 prompt for converting a storyboard image into a video. Copy the complete prompt, go back to ChatGPT, attach your storyboard image, paste the prompt, and press enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a new detailed Seedance 2.0 video prompt with the full story sequence and timing. Now, copy this complete prompt and go back to Higgsfield AI. Here, go to the video section and select the Seedance 2.0 4K model. You will see a dashboard like this. First, upload your storyboard image. You can upload it using the Upload Media button, or you can open the Image Generation tab and select the image you already created inside Higgsfield. One useful feature in Higgsfield AI is the Check Eligibility option. Click on Check Eligibility and wait a few seconds. This checks whether your image is eligible to use on the platform. Always make sure that you own the image or have permission to use it before generating a video. After a few seconds, my image is approved, so I select it. Next, paste your Seedance 2.0 prompt here. After adding your prompt, always check that your image is attached to the prompt correctly. If the image is not attached, type "add image" in your prompt and connect the uploaded image in the correct place. Next, choose your model. We already selected Seedance 2.0 4K, but if it is not selected on your side, choose it here. Now choose your video duration. The default duration is 8 seconds, but for this video, I need a longer result, so I select 15 seconds. Next, choose the video aspect ratio. For this example, I select 16:9. Then choose your video resolution, 1080p or 4K. At the time of recording, a 4K video generation uses around 1080p or 4K. At the time of recording, a 4K video 330 credits, while a 1080p generation uses around 135 credits. Always check the latest credit cost before generating. After selecting everything, click on the Generate button, and the video generation process will begin. After a few seconds, my video's ready. Before viewing or downloading the result, it may ask for rights verification. Click "I own rights to this content," only if you truly own the content or have permission to use it. Then click the Confirmation button. Now my final result is ready. Let's watch the result. It looks really amazing. The AI created the full video according to the scenes and panels in my storyboard image. Now, just click on the Download button to save your video. By using my storyboard image master prompt and this Seedance 2.0 video prompt, you can create storyboard images and complete videos for any original 3D animation story. Now, let's look at a few more videos we created using these prompts. First, see the storyboard image, and then watch the final video result. And that's it. That's how you turn a single storyboard image and one prompt into a full 3D animation story video. No animation skills, no expensive software, no studio, just one picture, one prompt, and your imagination. And don't worry, you also get all the video-related tools and the video prompt links down in the description, so you can grab everything I used, including my storyboard master prompt and the Seedance video prompt, and start making your own story right away. If this video helped you, Do me one quick favor and hit that subscribe button. I show you AI tricks like this every single week, and I don't want you to miss what's coming next. And tell me in the comments, what story are you going to create first? Best idea gets pinned. Now, if you want to keep going, click this video right here. I'll see you in the next one.